Okay, here with the update for our project here in this residential building. Electrical work is done. The wiring is all complete, all the way from the ground floor, the first floor, and the second floor. So all home runs are already in the panel board. Also the ceiling lighting wire are all complete, from the switches to the junction box and up to the ceiling wiring, and also for the electrician wire. Everything is complete. And here is our CCTV here, the cable, the power supply for the CCTV is also complete. Now let's go to the first floor. The ceiling downlight wiring is complete, from the junction box to the switches there, the convenience outlet. This is our panel board. All home run cables are already here in the panel board. The ceiling downlight wiring is complete for this room. From the junction box to the switches there. That's our AC unit there. For the ceiling downlight wiring, the junction box, and the switches and the outlet, and also for the toilet and bath here. There is our built-in water closet for the Arabic, and there is that set of bulb there, and there is our built-in shower mixer there, the shower head there at the top, around 120 centimeter from the center of the built-in shower mixer. Here for the ceiling downlight, wiring is complete. also for the switches and the outlet. Also here for the downlights for this bedroom here, the AC, the junction box, and down to the switches and the convenience outlet there. And there is our second panel board here for the first floor. All the home runs are already here in this panel board. So let's go to the second floor. Ceiling downlight wiring is complete. For the AC also is complete there. The wiring for the convenience outlet. Junction box there, going down to the switches and the outlet. Here for the ceiling downlight. Ceiling downlight wiring there is complete. Junction box. The junction box there, going down to the switch. Here for the bedroom here, ceiling downlight wiring is complete. Outlet, our panel board there, all the home runs are complete here for this second floor. And so that's it. So all wirings are complete for this building.